Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, on this beautiful day. How you guys and girls doing? Hope you're doing great. Today we're going to fix a few issues we have with the travel system, and we're also going to work on the inventory. So yeah, but before that, as usual, check out the description box, bunch of useful links down there. Follow me on Twitter if you want, my support page. Also my Discord is a new link, you can check that out. Drop a like, subscribe if you want to, but let's just get going here so we don't waste a lot of time. What I did in the last video was I tried to fix something in travel menu state. I also fixed this toString function, the add functionality, at, and the operator and stuff. Now we're just gonna bug fix all of this, and we're gonna make sure it works kind of. But first of all, I want to fix a few issues we have here. Let's see. Sorry about that. There you go. Yeah. Let's look at this. So we have an issue where number of locations is undefined for us. It's a very weird value. So this location, every time we try to travel, the first time is going to be an error. Okay. And the reason is we're updating the encounter menu before we're setting number of locations. So if you can look at this here, this encounter menu is using number of locations, but it's not set. So it's going to give us an error, right? So I need to kind of do that at the end here. I need to initialize that. Boom. And I need to set number of locations first. So there you go. That's the easy little fix. Now we won't get that error. Another thing we're going to do now is we're going to go into main menu state here, and we're going to do this. Let's see here. For development purposes, whatever, this character list push back. So we're gonna create a character here. Character. Let's see, new character. It's a character list of character pointer. Yep, new character, and we're gonna say test debugging character. So there you go. Boom. So now we created a new character here in our main menu state. That means that we'll be able to run our main menu or run the game without having to create a character every time. So I can just say, so we have our character test, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and do this, and I'm going to travel, and as you can see, we didn't get any errors here. And then I'm going to go to the left or to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. Let's see. Empty plane, down, 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 empty. Okay, enemy encountered, all that stuff. So I can begin the combat as usual. I'll probably kill the enemy. End of combat, and then we return here. Okay. Now I can keep going down. So that's how our game worked. Okay, so flee. Also let us get the hell out of there. End the combat. Cool. Okay, so that works. Now we can test the game without having to mess around with all that stuff, creating characters all the time. Cool. So if we get back to inventory here, I did create a way to print out our inventory. To have something to print, we're gonna have to work on item now. So we're gonna have to add some stuff to item here, item.h, and we're gonna have to kind of work with this. So how are we gonna set this up? We want a type of item, we want a ID, a name, probably something like that. We could have a, let's include some stuff, include string. Okay, we're probably gonna want to include string or stream for that, so we will be able to print it out. So we need a functions area here, functions. We also need a std string name, std, or let's call this int type or unsigned type. So it will have a type, and we'll have some enumerations here, enum item types, and like that. So it will be 0 will be and then rarities as well. Unsigned type, unsigned rarity, cell value, maybe unsigned value, So we need to create some stuff here for item. Rarity value, item types, weapon equals 0, armor, and then we'll have different types of weapons, I guess. Item types, type, unsigned subtype, maybe. So we'll have a subtypes, I guess. Let's see how that's gonna work. Or we'll just have type. Actually, we'll have a bunch of different types here, I guess. Weapon and armor, and then let's see. Well, we'll just work with this for now. Whatever, it doesn't really matter. Enum, item, rarities. I think that's how you spell it. So common, uncommon, rare. We have gray. Maybe we'll have one more. Maybe we'll have. Well, I hated it in Diablo when you have that broken shit, the gray stuff. So we'll just keep it white, green, blue, purple, epic, and then legendary, and then we'll go one step ahead. We'll say mythic. Okay, we'll go crazy here. So we'll have mythic as well, and that's gonna be the most rare shit you can ever find. All right, so that's cool. We'll have that, and legendaries are fine and all that stuff. Okay, so now we have some types and some rarities. Now we'll have type rarity value. Cool. We won't have damage and stuff here because remember, these are just items. These aren't actual weapons or armors yet. This is the base class for weapon and armor. So that's why we have this stuff here. Okay, let me think. So value, maybe we'll have a unsigned durability. Nah, man, no. I hate games with durability, right? We don't want durability. Whatever. We'll keep it at this for now, and then we'll have accessors, and then we'll have const std string reference get name, like this, and we'll just go ahead and do this. Const unsigned reference type get type, get type. Cool. And we'll be able to create an item with these names and types and rarity values and all that stuff. So that's cool. We'll see how we'll do that. We can have a function here that is private, which will be pretty much just generate. So void generate like this, and we'll say seed. Or maybe we'll do let's see, just generate it like this, and it'll probably be able to generate stuff. We'll see how that works. We'll create it for now. Private functions, and then constructors, destructors, and accessors, and then functions. Cool. That's good. That's great. We'll just close that for now. All right, so we're getting somewhere. Let's just do get name and stuff right now. Const get the rarity, and then get value, something like that. Okay, cool. So for now, that's fine. Let's just create these and be happy with it. Boom. Boom. Whoops, I don't know what the hell I just did. We're fine. Boom. And boom. Okay, so we created those four. Let's put them under accessors like this, and just start returning stuff. And then we'll have a function const std string to string const, like that. It's kind of small. I hope you can see that. Just like that. string. Okay, so we're gonna have to create this as well. Boom. Fine. And that toString function is gonna be under functions. All right, cool. But let's just fix these first. So get name, return this name, return this type, return this rarity, return this value. Whoops, value. Boom. Okay, there you go. So we got all our getters and setters here, or getters at least, accessors. So we'll just do that. And this string is going to be a std string ss, and we'll return ss.str like this. Boom. Okay, so that's cool. And now we'll add all of these this item stuff here. So ss, this name, and then this type, and all that stuff, right? Eventually we'll add those in here. Let me just add a little space in here as well, and say type, maybe one of these, and maybe here we're gonna say name, and then type, like this. Boom. New line maybe here. So we'll do it like this. Okay, cool. So now I can just copy paste these. So type rarity value, rarity and value. Cool. Okay, so we got name, type, rarity and value like this. Something like this. It looks fine. We'll skip that. Okay, cool. So this will help us test our inventory later on. We need to fix this as well, like give it some default values. Let's just do that before we end the video here. This name equals something. This type equals 0. This let's see, name, type, rarity equals 0. This value equals 0. So that's cool. Some initial values. We'll add the parameters in here in the next video, and we'll keep working on it. Okay, thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you like this series, and we're going forward making a cool little RPG in the console window. So yeah, thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the support. Please check out the description box. Follow me on Twitter, my support page. Also drop a like, subscribe if you want to, and then yeah, go check out my Discord as well. Thank you so much. Take care. Okay, I'll see you guys and girls in the next one. Bye bye.